Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back. I wanted to say hi, send my love to everybody. I just saw that yesterday we had an X class, I think it was a 4.5 X class flare on our star. It's partially Earth directed and expected to land between Monday and Tuesday of this coming week. So today's the 15th of September. And I just wanted to look in, see what we can expect from these powerful combining energies from our sun, from our moon. It's a full moon in Pisces, so I'm expecting maybe some shadow work to come up, some deep hidden emotions that need to be cleared. But let's just see what the cards have to say. So asking for what can we expect as collective light workers, star seeds, healers, magical beings. What can we expect with the energies coming this week with this potent combination between our star emitting its frequencies and our beautiful moon? Okay, so in the past we have the Eight of Swords. So it's a lot of victim mentality. You can see that she's bound here, but she's not hopeless. Her feet are still free. She could probably wriggle out of these binds, but she's keeping herself blinded to the fact that she has this power. This could be male or female. Sex doesn't really matter. But yeah, so her thoughts are just keeping her trapped in this victimhood mentality. So yeah, I'm seeing a lot of this in the collective with clients, friends and family. It's very common, we get stuck in these loops, can't see a way out or forward. We keep just self-sabotaging and blocking our progress to our more evolved selves. In the present, we have judgment. So judgment is a big awakening. I see more people will be awakening with this solar flare. And the sun came up in the present as well. So it's even more magnified. The sun, however, is the best card of the deck that you could get. So it is for the greater good. It's for the elevation of humanity as a whole, and especially for us light workers. It's just going to be a powerful time. Energetically, in the middle of the present is the Two of Cups. So again, I'm seeing the joining of forces between the sun and the moon. The golden codes with the silver codes are just going to be magnifying everything that much more potently. And then in the future is the Six of Cups. So it is this reciprocal energy that we're receiving to help, raise us up emotionally, just feeling very loved, just taken care of by, a force higher than ourselves. I'm seeing our higher self stepping in to help us in this. So those Two of Cups become the Six of Cups. And I just think that's so beautiful. The advice, I have the Two of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. So yeah, it's saying things are going to be rocky, even maybe some earth changes are going to be coming up. It could be something with the tides. It could be earthquakes. But with the Ten of Swords, it's just an ending of these negative thought patterns that we had in the past. These loops, these cycles that we get stuck in. It is an ending to this. It is setting us free from these karmic bonds, these negative thoughts. And yeah, things might feel a little rocky, but know that it is for the good of all of our evolutions. So yeah, and the Queen of Swords was on the bottom of the deck. So yeah, she's like, sternly set your boundaries, speak your truth, you know, follow that direction. You have a higher view, you know, a bird's eye view above the clouds of what your life is meant to be. So it's like, step into your true power, you know, claim it, and only focus your energy on that which you want, because that will accelerate your expansion and your acceleration through these ascending times. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you'd like to work with me one-on-one, please reach out, mindysquantumwellness.com. I would be honored to work with you. Thank you.